Instagram will restrict certain activity to protect our community problem. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix this problem. So to fix this problem, now you need to follow 4 steps that I'll show you. So the step 1 is now open the Instagram app. After you open the Instagram app like this, now go ahead and tap on this menu. After you come to this menu, so now you can go ahead now and tap on this menu again at the top. So from this option, now tap on this search and search for account. After you search for account, go to account status. Under account status, now go ahead and verify all these features. You may likely get this feature, the last one is not verified, so go and verify this last one and make sure all the verification are completed. After you complete this verification, now the step 2 to fix this problem. Now close the Instagram. After you close the Instagram, go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure to update the Instagram. Go and search for Instagram on Play Store, on App Store, and update the Instagram. After you update the Instagram like this, now go back. Now after you update the Instagram, don't open the Instagram. Now go ahead and restart your mobile phone. After you restart the mobile phone, now come back and tap on this Instagram and open the Instagram. So this step 3 to fix this problem now. After now you open up now after you open now the Instagram app like this, now still the problem is there. All that through now, you can just go ahead now and change the internet connection. Change the internet connection of your mobile phone. Like if you are using like Wi-Fi, go and change it to another Wi-Fi. Or if you are using mobile data, go and change it to Wi-Fi. Just change the internet connection, because sometimes the problem may cause this problem for you is because you have poor internet connection. So after you change the internet connection now, the step 4 to fix this problem now, after you open the Instagram app like this, now go ahead and tap on this profile. After you come to the profile section, tap on this menu. From the menu section, scroll all the way to down. If you scroll to down, go to this help center. After you come to this help center, tap on this report a problem again. So from this option, now tap on this include button. So from this option, now tap on this upload button. Make sure you take a screenshot of the error message that you are getting. So after you upload the screenshot like this one, so from there, go ahead and type a message like this now. Please release my account. Release my account. I am not a robot. So as you can see now, so just type in like this. I'm not a robot. So type in a message like this now. Please release my account. I'm not a robot. Because the reason why Instagram gives you this restriction is because your account is small account. Just after you tap on this message, tap on this send button. After you tap on the send button, now go back. If you come back now you should stop doing 4 things. Now you should stop following people, stop liking other people comment, and stop other people liking other people post, and stop commenting and following on Instagram. Stop following, stop commenting, stop liking, and stop sharing. Because if you are using too much action on Instagram in a short period of time and your account is not a big account, Instagram will think that your account is a robot account, so they will give you this restriction. So by stop doing this thing for like 3 days at least, from there Instagram will check your message and will check your account. From there they will restrict your account. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to help you. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.